Hello everyone. We have so many recipes here. I will make a pen holder using This is how we spell pen holder. O-N-G-E-R. Pen holder. This is how to make pen holder. Prepare glue, stick, and papers. Roll the stick in each the paper. Put some glue to the other edge to seal it. Pull out the stick. After making some, cut the paper tube in the half. Assemble them together using glue. Make a long one for the body of the pen holder and the short one in base. Let them dry. Cut the short one into circle. Put some glue in the edge of the per circle. Stand the long one in the circle. Seal the edge with glue. Let it dry. Paint it your preferred color. Design more if you like. Prepare, roll, put. Pull, cut the symbol. Make net stand. Seal, paint, and design. All or verb. Yan ginawa yung mga kulay. Matibay kapag pakinabang at maganda. I do it for 2 days. I started reading Wednesday, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I finished in Thursday, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Recycle today, protect tomorrow. Small steps, big impact.